I am Chad Juring. I am an interactive developer at Creative Producers Group in St. Louis. My wife and I relocated from Dallas, and the day that we moved in town, I happened to see a tweet from the T-Rex that said today is the last day for launch code candidates. I signed up for that, and then I think within a day or two I was in an interview with Jim McKelvey. He reviewed my stuff, we talked about what I was interested in, and he said, I've got just the right place for you, and that's where I am now.
Creative Producers Group is really in the engagement business. We do very large events for companies. We are not a typical tech company, and we do interactive. We do a lot of different things. Actually, in Chad's portfolio, he had a lot of work that we do, from besides programming to animation and other things. So we had kind of this marriage of his interest and our interest. After Chad joined us, we paired him up with our head of digital.
He just impressed us so much with his examples and so well spoken, and his personality was great. I actually, after that interview, Keith had asked us, well, how'd it go? And my answer was yes.
Growing up, I really wanted to be a Pixar animator. And then what kind of actually sparked my interest in programming was looking at job listings for what you need to have to work at Pixar. And it was always like, you must have experience with Python, Linux scripting, and that kind of stuff. The moment that I realized that I was suited for this job is, I think I was in the shower or something, and I'm like, that's how you do a quick sort or something. It just jumped into my head. Like, this project that I kind of been baking in the back of my brain was still cooking, and then it jumped into my head when I didn't expect it. And I kind of knew, like, yeah, you probably should do something with this. My advice to future launch code candidates, and this actually would apply to any job you really go to apply for, is it helps so much to have something to show. If you can go in and make your interview be show and tell and really show what you can do, prove that you can solve problems, I think that goes a really long way and makes a good impression.